Alright, so I'm going to give this one more shot. I have tried to record this 3 times already, and I've dropped my phone every single time. So this time I'm just going to use my hands, record what I'm sending first. Washers, 3 different frames, and there's a black frame if you want to use it for the center, a screwdriver, an Allen wrench, which is the same thing as a screwdriver, and a wrench for the back of the boxes, which are the nuts if you need it. You may not need it. If you don't need it, you got an extra tool. And the longer screws, which you'll swap out for those corner ones. And those washers, you'll put the screw on the washer. I'm going to show you right now, but let me get this phone back on this stand real quick, and hopefully it doesn't drop. If it drops, I'm just going to keep recording. I'll just figure something out here. Oh, almost dropped it. Okay. Alright, here we go. I'm going to let go of it, see what happens. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is remove the 4 screws. You can reach around the back and hold the nut if you need to, but really you don't have to because those nuts kind of grab already. Just loosen them all 4. And then you can hold it, come from behind, and just take the nuts off. I better move this phone in case you can't see what I'm doing here. Please don't drop. Alright. Alright, I got all 4 off. Take pull your screws out. Alright, next, take your frame, take one of these screws. Sorry, my hands are dirty. I've been in here working all day. And then take one of these little washers and then put it, screw in like that. Take the screw and put it through one of the holes, and you can do the same thing for 3 more screws. Now you got it going through, and it's kind of beveled. If you look at the back side of it, that's going to go over the existing piece that was, it's going to go over that and cover it up. So now you take the screws and you'll put them through the box into the back. That, and it'll hold in place. And then take the nuts that you took off earlier, hold it in with your hand, and right now we're just going to snug them up. Tighten in a second. Alright, they're all snug now. So make sure it's all centered, looks to center best you can, which it's almost impossible to be off center because everything's such a tight tolerance already. So now just take a screwdriver. You don't have to put a lot of pressure. And you can even hold this in the back if you want to with your hand, or you can use this tool, which I'm sending but you really don't need to because it's just plastic. And just tighten that corner about 2 fingers tight, and then come over and do this corner. And do this one. And then do this one. And you go around one more time if you want to. And that's it. And do the rest, repeat for the other 3 if you want to, or you can just do the outside 2 or whichever ones that are broke. And then since yours is broke right here on this corner, a part of it sticking out a little bit further, when you put yours on and you start tightening, you might hear some sort of popping. That's just the plastic setting back into place behind it, and it's fine. So pretty easy for me. I mean, it should be pretty easy for you. If it doesn't work out, you can always reach out to me and I'll help you out. And I didn't drop my phone this time, so that's good. And if you have any questions, just let me know, and I'll send these out here in just a few minutes.